Morning, Gav. So, good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the morning. So, this the baby goat.
Buddy, you ain't
You
right.
can hear the mama crying. He don't give a damn. He wants to be with the dogs and cats. You see? He just bad. He don't care. Just like a kid wants to play, mama waiting for you. Now, watch him playing with the cat. And then mingle with the dogs. The dogs there with Dibs. Hey, Brownie.
I was getting ready to say, where is Brownie? But there he is.
Yeah, when Dibs travel, she travel with cats and dogs. They don't leave her an inch.
Oh.
She's picking the gungo peas. I'm gonna do a video with that separate.
No. Jermaine,
Yes?
you want to chase him back to his mother?
Man, he's gonna come right back. Okay, let me try. Cat licking his ass. His ass. Look at that.
He's going to give his mama a heart attack.
Let me see if I can follow him. Look at him just being bad. He don't care about mama's feelings. That's him right there. Little badass. See them hooves getting hard and hard. It's a blossom same way it is. The gungo. Hey, stop eating the gungo setting. Leave it alone. No, not supposed to eat that. Grab his little feet. No, I'm not gonna hurt him. You grab them by the back foot. Stop eating it. Yeah. Inagro. Oh, okay. Yeah, the mother go smell him. Okay, I got you. That big man this now for we not find mother. He might eat the gungo pad. What the back foot this? See, just being a bad goat. Look at him. Damn, he ain't even 2 months yet. I'm this bad. Go to your mama. Look at him just ignoring her crying. You can see him. Stop the whine. He's right here. Oh my God. This is a bad kid, y'all. And he ain't even a teenager yet. Just bad. He don't care what mama do or say. Oh my God. Oh, Dibs. It go back to Sir Dibs. The gungo. Tomorrow, okay, somebody rotten. Come on, little one, let's go. He don't care. He don't care if mama cry till she weak. Yeah, he has company. He has the dogs and the cats to play with. That's all he wants. Hey, Brownie, what up? Brownie the dog. Ah, look at you, playful dog. Brownie, update on the video yesterday, y'all. The dog that was in the bush yesterday that came to walk with us, it was actually our dog. It was Brownie. He was out in the field and he sniffed us out. Uh-oh, got hard at work. Gibbs, look out for us. Got a spray. Look at him. He keep going deeper and deeper in the bushes. Doesn't care. Oops, the cat was up on the ledge right there. Wow. This come a bush with puss and dog and cat. Man, I don't. When you say how them come? Babe, does he have a name? Buddy? Yeah, my wife called him Buddy. Look at him. Rami, the kid. Little Buddy. You know, as in friend. So he's going deeper and deeper. He don't care about the mama. So I'm in the gungo field. The cats and everybody is here. But it's just a way of life here. He don't care. He's just doing his own little thing. So them gungo pads, I'm gonna pick some later on. There goes the dog right there. He's finding other stuff to eat. Your mama is crying for you. You don't give a Damn. See, I like these palm trees, call them thatch. So 1, 2, wow, it's a lot of them going around here. Look at him. Look at his little ass. Climbing the trees, just being bad. Bad Billy Goat. Dog looking at him. They play together. He's getting bigger since we got here, getting bigger and bigger. See his little bars behind his legs? You know it's a boy, see? Yeah. Mama stopped. I guess she gave up. Look at him still eating, hunting. Cat just laying there. Ain't nobody moving from nobody. They all friends. They all buddies. So he's eating, you know. Still goes to mama for milk occasionally, but he's eating. He's doing good. He just doesn't care at all. Just he care. These animals are just fun loving, y'all. Live together. Fun loving. Mm. Right, little buddy. I'm gonna let you be because you don't seem to be going to mama. You don't seem to care. So he's just a bad boy. Just a bad boy. Just a bad boy. Kitty cat. Just a bad boy, huh? All right, so I guess we're just gonna let him be, folks. So he's doing himself. All right, y'all. Catch y'all guys in the next video. Okay.